Good morning, Colorado, and welcome to today's issue of Colorado Mortgage and Home Loan Rate Update. Today is Monday, the 19th of September, and I'm Randy Flood, the only certified mortgage coach in the state of Colorado. This week, there's not a whole lot of news that's happening in the rates go up category this morning. There is nothing. However, in the rates go down category, the National Association of Home Builders Housing Index came in at 14. I believe that's about the lowest it's ever been. I know it hasn't been lower than that in the past 20 years. So once again, housing is not doing well. And Greece, once again, is back in the news. It's never really went away in my opinion, but the media forgets about it, and I'll talk about that more in a second. Here's what's going on in the mortgage-backed securities. As I mentioned, we have a gap up. We're doing well right now. We've been trading in this narrow trading range, and this has been good. And we keep on testing the bottom, but we haven't broken through, which is also good because if and when we do break through down at the bottom, it's going to be a free fall. But right now, it's a gap up opening because of Greece. I want to show you this chart because as you recall on Friday's daily update, I was talking about the highs. We had a high and then we came down to a low. We had another high, had a lower low, keep on testing this range, another higher high, and then we had another lower low. Now with today's gap up opening, that is good. It's showing that we have a little bit of an upward trend. And that is positive. As long as bonds do well, mortgage rates are going to continue to remain very, very low or even improve. However, should we go on and break this level here, I predict a severe, downfall, big correction, which means interest rates will shoot up. Here's what the other mortgage market timing services are recommending. Rate Alert. Their position is unchanged. If you're closing within 7 days lock, you will notice that the daily rate lock advisory, they've changed their recommendation from 20 days to 7 days now. So they're in agreement with Rate Alert, and so am I. So in summary, we had a gap up opening, and that's all about Greece and the flight of safety to our bonds. The Dow Jones is selling off again, which means money is going to the bonds, which are keeping rates extremely low, making them improve as I speak. And the weekend meeting in Europe that Geithner was at didn't produce any results. So once again, there's a lot of concern that Greece will actually default. And I keep on saying this, but there's a lot of problems in Europe, and they're not going to go away. It's just a matter of if the media covers it or not, and that really affects our rates. Light news week, we do have the FOMC on Wednesday, and they may say something interesting about what they're going to do for the future. I've already mentioned the trading range is intact. The all-time, the National Association of Home Builders, index came in at 14, all-time low, or near all-time low. And I keep on repeating it myself. I sound like a broken record, but without any housing, no jobs, no consumer confidence, and I didn't put it in there, but no manufacturing right now, equals no recovery. We have to have these things in place in order for us to improve economically and get back on our feet. Now, saying all that, I don't see this improving at all. So I believe that rates will actually get lower than what they presently are, and I'll let you hold me to that later on. And that's the nice thing about these being recorded. You can go back and see whether or not my predictions are right on. Now, the thought of the day: regardless of your lot in life, you can build something beautiful on it, and that's by Zig Ziglar. And the reason I bring that up is in today, with all the turmoil, chaos, people losing their jobs, it's hard to be positive. But no matter what is going on, you can still build upon something and make it even better. If you're looking at buying a home or refinancing your Colorado mortgage, definitely give me a call. I'll give you very objective advice. I'm available 24/7. And if you like, this mortgage advice that, you can rely upon, go on and click the like button below and share it with your family and friends and your coworkers. I know that they would appreciate it as well. And as always, only wanting the best for you. Take care.